Welcome to the Life of Hair. My name's James Atkinson. Thank you very much for choosing to join into this episode. Now, in this episode, we're going to look at a bit of a tragic situation. Now, I've had a lot of people in my career ask me, clients and stylists, what would happen if I colour my hair and have a perm? What would happen if I have a relaxer, whether it be like a sort of keratin straightening, not keratin smoothing, slightly different, but keratin relaxing or chemical relaxing service and colour my hair simultaneously. Why can't I colour my hair and have these services? So this is a very extreme thing, or what you're going to see today is a very extreme outcome, but a very, very realistic outcome of what can happen. So if you enjoy educational hair content, then please consider subscribing down below.
Relax my hair. If y'all notice, I'm trying to get this white color, but I'm gonna get yes so white, but yes I'm gonna get it yet. And I wanted to bleach my hair, but if me ever bleach it black neat and relax it, you know, so I'm gonna lose everything.
Okay, up front, she knows if she bleaches and relaxes her hair, she's going to lose everything. Now, her hair is incredibly light. I didn't see it before it was this colour, okay, but obviously it's going to be dark. Her eyebrows are quite dark, and you know, it's going to be at least 6 shades lighter than her natural. So that's your first warning sign. When you're 6 shades lighter than your natural, you're going to you're pushing the boundaries of how far your hair can really go in reality. So just a moment ago, she stopped and she put like Vaseline or something around her hairline to protect her skin, which is fair. But this application style is definitely different. I mean, generally what happens is you apply it with a tail comb and a tint brush, and then you would use the tail comb to comb down the sections to stretch there. I mean, especially on short hair like this, you can't really, you know, get the stretch. You have to use a comb to make sure it's laying perfectly flat. I'm going to see what she does with it in just a second with regards to that, because I'm assuming she's done this before. Look, she's got it unevenly. She's now combing it through. All of the things you should do. The big problem here is that the hair's extremely bleached. So she's definitely going to have some problems in a minute. The crickets in the background are extremely relaxing though. I can imagine falling asleep to those crickets. Let's just see what happens here after she's processed it. I mean, I'm interested to know now how long she's going to leave this on for, because she's sort of smothered it all on pretty quickly. Fine. And it probably would relax like lightning, because it's obviously very fragile already. And when the hair is fragile or thin, it relaxes much, much quicker. Okay, that quickly. We just clicked on and clicked off, and clearly something's gone incredibly wrong. She's probably combed out a big chunk of her hair. So I guess it's all downhill from here for her hair. Oh dear. Just an unmitigated disaster. I mean, I appreciate her hair wasn't all that long. Some people might say, well, her hair wasn't that long. I mean, yeah, fine, but no one wants to see their hair melt off their head in any circumstances. Yeah, that's what happens. I've seen it done with lots of chemical interactions, whether it be sunning and bleach, whether it be chemical relaxer and lightener, bleach lightener, whether it be perm and bleach, even tint can cause very, very poor hair condition and quality. The hair has just melted off, and that's that. And there's not a lot you can do about that, obviously. Once it's gone, it's gone. So I hope for everybody who has ever asked me that question, or for anybody who is looking for that question in the future, this is your answer, and you might want to steer anyone that you know or whoever wants their hair bleaching and relaxing or colouring and relaxing, or perming and relaxing, or whatever the combination of those two extreme chemicals reactions are, then to just steer them towards this video. You know, and they may say, well, that's not my hair. Hair is hair. It doesn't matter whether it's her hair or somebody else's. The reactions will be just the same. So I feel, you know, sorry that this woman had to go through this, but hopefully she's going to help lots and lots of other people in the future with avoiding terrible hair loss or, you know, hair breakage because of chemical reactions. The easy answer, don't do it. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. See you next time for another episode of The Life of Hair.